Hello, this is Lydia from Linbay Machinery. Glad to see you. And today I'd like to introduce you our shelf panel reforming machine production line. I have this panel in my hand. This panel is very popular, used at the supermarket shelves and the storage shelves. The thickness for this panel is 0.6 millimeter thickness to 1.2 millimeter thickness, and this machine can produce the different size of the width, and this machine can produce different size of this panel in an automatic change. And let's see more details. The whole production line of this shelf panel reforming machine has 4 main components. This is a decoiler, and we have the punch system. After the punch system, we have the reforming machine, and after the reforming machine, we have the out tables. This is a hydraulic decoiler. It is a decoiler with leveler. It helps the customer to support the rollers and then pass going to the leveler. It's very important to have the leveler here, because after the leveler machine, we will go into the hydraulic punch system. When you have the leveler, it will make the steer more plate, and the hose position will be better. Now, I'd like to introduce this hydraulic punch station. This hydraulic punch station is to make the gaps. Of the panel on the both sides. All these can be all these molds can be adjusted by these hand wheels. When you produce different widths of the panel, it's very smart and effective solution. The feeding part is a servo motor control feeding. Let's have a look to see what perforations make. After the hydraulic punch station, we go into the reforming machine part. You can see the reforming machine part has a cantilever structure. It is easy to adjust the width. This structure is controlled by this reducer and motors. This structure can move out or move inside. Then you can have different size of the panel, and this change is made automatically on your touch screen, easy to operate. This is all about this shelf panel reforming machine. If you are interested in, please talk to Lydia. Contact with Linbay Machinery to get a specific quotation. It's very important to find a very good supplier during COVID-19 situation. Linbay Machinery is always your best choice. Waiting for your inquiry. See you next time. Bye bye.